Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjevan. Today, let's see a very easy to make laddu recipe using Rava, also known as semolina or suji. This Lellava Unddo, as we call it, is especially made for Diwali to distribute among our friends and relatives. Being so easy to make, even a newbie can make it perfectly.
I dedicate this video to my mother, from whom I learned this recipe, and to all women on Women's Day.
We need 1 cup of rava, 1 heaped cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of ghee, some broken cashews, some raisins, some hot milk and cardamom powder. Ensure that you use an almost equal amount of rava and sugar, with sugar amount being a little more. To start with, in a heavy bottomed pan, heat the ghee on medium flame. Add the cashews. When they turn light brown, add the raisins. When the cashews are golden brown, remove them and keep aside. With the remaining ghee in the pan, roast the rava on medium flame, taking care that it does not get burnt. Roast till the rava makes a crisp, crunchy sound when bitten.
Now switch off the gas and add the sugar immediately.
You can also use powdered sugar instead of the regular sugar, but still retain some sugar granules as you can enjoy their crunchiness while biting the laddu. Now drizzle some hot milk over the mixture so that the sugar and rava bind well.
Now add the cashew nuts and raisins which we had roasted earlier, along with the cardamom powder.
You can also add cardamom essence. When it has cooled to a bearable heat, take small portions and shape into round balls. Use milk to wet your hands while binding. If you find the laddu mixture has turned hard after leaving it to cool, just warm it by keeping on the stove for a minute. Once it loosens up, you can stop the flame and proceed to make laddus. This is now ready to be served. This laddu will last up to a week, in the unlikely event that no one eats them. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.